Hello traders, in this video we are going to see about I have missed my entry during the London Close Killzone, so I am not feeling for that. So last previous 10 trades I am missing the entry like this. Why? Because the market has been taken by sell side liquidity in right here. So first confirmation of sell side liquidity has been taken in 1 hour, and I have another confirmation like below there is a order block in 4 hour market. After tapping this order block, I get confirmation the market is going to be bullish. So after waiting for the manipulation leg, so after this manipulation I confirm that market is going to be bullish. So what I wait for after market closing above this FEG, I am waiting for market to give the market structure right here. So I am expecting market to give MMS, and the market is giving me a MMS right here. So first I have marked this MMS, and right after forming this swing low, I have marked this as a MMS. So this is my swing low. You can see here. This is my first MMS. That is my first MMS. This is my second MMS. So I keep for on. So guys, so after breaking this MMS, I am waiting for market to tap inside my entry. Just I am waiting for market is going out, and after tapping this I am waiting for my entry to tap here. So by chance I don't get this entry. I'm not feeling for that last 2 days, and in today's morning Asian section also this is happened again. So I'm not feeling for that, and the one thing I feel is for 51 pip, which is good for me, but I'm not feeling for that. It is happening for some more days, so I need to clear this mistake. Sell side liquidity for our order block, you can see here, which is a market structure shift right here, and you can see here this is entry point. I am waiting for the FEG inversion FEG in 5 minutes. You can see here what I expecting market to tap here and tap this and go above, and then I missed my this, and this is my DOL. My DOL is perfectly correct, and so I am happy for this. In last 5 or 6 trades I missed my entry, but my DOL is perfect. So if I am missing my trade, I know the direction. So if I know the direction, I can easily take a trade anywhere. Like if I miss here, I need to have a confidence. So I'm waiting for build my confidence. So if I'm missing my trade like here, so when market is retracing into we call this candle as mitigation block. Mitigation block, or oh, sorry guys, that's wrong. So we call this as a bearish bullish breaker block. We call this candle as a bullish breaker block. So sorry guys. So let's break into a higher time. So you have seen here I'm targeting here my FEG entry. So you have seen this. So I am clearing now this. We can draw in a live market. So it's not understanding why you are seeing like this. So I am going to break down in the market. So let's go to the daily. So I am coming from daily. So overall bias is bearish in daily. You can see here. Yesterday I have read the price. The market is reacting to this higher time frame 4 hour inversion FEG. After reacting to this inversion FEG, market has been fell down. So in here it's bearish, and right now we are in this area. And here I get a bearish and right now. So the market is right now inside something, and after breaking this I am expecting first buys. Why? Because overall bias is bearish, so I am expecting for this bullish. After taking this low, market is targeting this order block, so I expect market to take this liquidity, and after that market is targeting this bearish order block. So that happened here. So we can go to 4 hour time frame. What we can see is market, which impressed me is after taking this liquidity, you can see perfectly here. You can see perfectness in here, which is my sell side liquidity in 4 hour, which is a order block, which is highly affected here. You can have marking here like this. You can see here bullish OB in 4 hour. I am marking for bullish order block in 4 hour. So when market tapping this order block, you can see here after this tapping, the market should give a huge displacement. We need a displacement after sweeping some liquidity. We need a huge displacement, and one thing I am getting here is a huge displacement only. Is a super better thing. and then I am also so impressed of getting this displacement. So I am going for my lower time frame, which is for 15 minutes. Now you can see here below there is higher time PD array. You can see here guys, higher time PD array plus liquidity issue. Okay, so next I will go to my entry. We need to get a entry in lower time frame. Then I switch to 15 minutes. Right, 15 minutes. I get waiting for first manipulation. First manipulation has been taken place here. So it's good to see the first manipulation leg. So after seeing the first manipulation leg, I am waiting for second entry. So after manipulation, I am waiting for entry right here. I am targeting this equalize. Why? Because this is attracted by the price. This attract the price like magnet. So I am expecting price to get this. So after that I am getting here. I am waiting for market structure shift. Then what happen is right here, after taking this fake manipulation, there is a displacement, but price is still inside this inversion FEG. So I'm not taking a trade. So I'm waiting for market to retrace back and give me an entry. So, but there is no retracement. There is fully rocket. Right now, what is happened here is fully rocket, which means market and rocket. So I am waiting for my entry, but market did a rocket sign here. Just sweeping eyes. What I expect here, I will draw in a chart. I am waiting for here right inside the mean threshold, which is the 50%. We call this as a mean threshold of FEG. So I am waiting for the entry in mean threshold. I am not getting my entry in the mean threshold. Right now I am keeping like this, and it's short, meaning we are going to long. So in long position, I am expecting price like this to give me my entry. So this is my target of equalize, which is nearly about 51 pip. My top loss is near to this loss. Keeping like this. This is 1 is to 48, and I am keeping like this. And what I expect here, everything is good. Everything happened right, and I am expecting after that market will be tap here and going above. So what I am expecting here, that not happen. So that's the difference. So if I'm going to take a trade, where should I take this trade is nothing but here. After this breakout, I should be waiting for this candle close, and I should be taking the trade inside here. But this is a very aggression trade, which means like here, after closing the body close above this, if I am taking a trade like this, I am able to take my trade here. Why? Because we are taking for market to body close here. Right now the body close above. Next candle I am placing my entry and keeping my stop loss below this low. So it's only to 3 good trade, but I am not like aggression trader. I will wait for a retracement. For retracement there is no retracement, so that I am not able to get my entry. So we need to wait for our entry to get entered into the trade. So right now I am not able to get any trade. So guys, if you have a doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts. Okay guys, bye traders. Bye traders. Bye.